Hey guys, this is going to be a tutorial for the Sandbox Editor 3 on creating a custom UI toolbox. Some users have been asking to create a toolbox or reduce the working set of the toolbox that's on there to smaller icons, and in fact you can. So jumping right in, you're going to want to go into this blue area over here and right click and customize. You're going to want to create a new toolbox and leave it as custom or name it as you wish. You'll notice that once it's created, it automatically puts the toolbox in the toolbar area. Now to add commands, click on Commands. Any of the right-hand side commands, all you have to do is select them, drag and drop into your toolbox. I'm going to go ahead and add a few and show you some of the advanced features of this customizing UI system. So one of the cool features is the separators that you see in the normal editing toolboxes, you can add in your own. To do so, all you have to do is click the icon you want the separator before, click, hold, drag to the right just inside the black box, and release. This will create a separator icon. To remove the separator, repeat the same steps as before by clicking, holding, but this time moving to the left inside the black box and releasing, and that will remove the separator. Another cool feature is using icons and commands from existing toolboxes. The only one you can't use from is the editing. This cannot be modified in any way. But such as the object toolbar, if you see an icon that you would like to use without going to the command, simply drag and drop from that command toolbox. Now you notice it did delete it. It's not gone forever. All you have to do is go to the Toolbars tab, click on the object toolbar or the one that you removed it from, and click reset. And magically it's back, but it doesn't remove it from yours. Alright, the next one is really cool and I highly suggest everybody to use it. This one takes anything that you want to do that is inside a drop down box, such as editing mode. Now editing mode are these functions up here that are selecting, select and move, rotate, scale. If you add this to your toolbox, you'll notice that it's a drop-down box. Now, if you don't mind it being a drop-down box, it's fine. You can save it and you'll be done. But if you'd rather have them outside of the selection toolbox, or excuse me, outside of the drop-down box on your selection toolbox, then all you have to do is drag and drop them out. And then once you have all the ones that you want out, simply drag it off and it's deleted. Now, there are a few features that I haven't quite figured out how to do, and one of them is using the grid selection. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you my customized toolbox that's been pre-set up for you. This one contains all the features of the default layout except for a few. One happens to be the selection drop-down box. This one I couldn't find in there. If I do end up finding it and able to put it into this one, I'll definitely update the video and show you. And the other one, of course, is the grid selection size. I couldn't either. So if you want to use a custom toolbox without the editor mode toolbox, but you need to go see those functions and use them, it's just a quick right click away, selecting the toolbox that you need to use and then rehiding it. Not much of a problem. But this does reduce your working set, creates smaller icons, gives you more space to work in a window. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.